My people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So one of the things me have to share with you is like Destiny come out wicked for the cat woman, my people. The cat woman must buy one buy one shoes for AliExpress, and I say she pay how much money for, and Destiny can show her up. You see me? And show the shoes that she buy for AliExpress and how much for the shoes. You see me? I don't know say AliExpress are one cheap website where you can get things from. See? So we're gonna get in that. Also the whole share situation, I collect money on Brit behalf. You know what I mean? Destiny come expose share, and you know what I mean, if you give back the people them money. Cause right now my people Brit find a money now. So anybody if you take care of Brit, I must the man. You understand what I say? And the G look like say he must step up certain way. Forget Brit to do something, some normal thing like even hold a shower and all them something that. You know what I mean? So I feel like say Brit gonna be okay. You see me eventually, because you know them people them love a love story. So right away them are go start give back Brit the way how maybe not the way how she used to get things still, but you know what I mean, a lot of people they feel like say I go rally around and give Brit some more heap of support. So Brit up on her way for, you know what I mean, elevation. You see me? And me did tell you about a video with two person, Ivany and Destiny. I say yo them now play with Brit cause Brit disrespectful. But me can tell you my people. It's not a surety still now, but me feel like say when Brit go back on her foot, and the same people them who did that turn her down and deny her, and them same one I go over they go chat with her and play with her. You know what I mean? Cause I know this in the state, so you know, if Brit go back on her foot, Destiny I go reach over there somewhere or another. You know what I mean? But there are some of the things me have to share with people. Also the man named Mother Love, you know. It's like his mother must be sick in the hospital, right? And him come out and him a big donation for buy her pampers and them something there. See? So him brother, you know, I guess this a Kevin come out and say, yo, him take care of his mother. You know what I mean? So there's no need to come beg no donation or something. So me I go make no hear what him have to say and what the brother have to say, cause the brother and lady grab a link up in the two of them are, you know what I mean, I try to get the donation thing sorted out. You see, cause me see man lady grab up on a video where them did in a Mandeville town. I figure buy some things for the mother, pampers and things. You know what I mean? Pampers. You know we Jamaica and we chat bad. So yeah my people. So these are some of the things me have to share with you know. And if there's anything else me add it to it. So I could get in at my people.
Hey! Stop calling woman name! Calling woman a trouble and woman no on TikTok. Stop it. Guys, stop it. Don't do it. The woman don't trouble. Stop calling woman name, me love. Oh, cause the woman don't trouble me love. Me don't know the woman and the woman never me know woman. The woman don't know me. Stop calling woman name. Me I tell you now. Alright. Hey, Lord of Daniel. I'm gonna tell you what Kitty look with that say. Kitty favor Stewie. And Stewie is something name. Kitty look like Anansi. Kitty look like Anansi on the spinning wheel. Her body look good. Kitty body look good. Come on from a page with a fake page. Black that girlie. Kitty body look good. You know when body look good? You know when body look good? Kitty body too flat down. Kitty body too good. Kitty body want a leaf. He want a body leaf. Kitty body flat down. Me and you know in a competition. You want woman in a competition. You have in a competition with Ivany them. Me have in a competition with man. Your body too drop down. The whole of the girl them stay good. You are the only girl out there do your body. And Miss Blinga, me not even say Miss Blinga body could have look so. Me say wow. Wow. Me never know say Miss Blinga Ilangoli. Kitty body a Ilangoli. Ilangoli. Come on for this, lady queen. Leave. Leave up boy. Leave up boy, blood clot. Leave up boy. You come in at the blood clot boots. You buy the boot. More find the same red one. You buy the boot off of AliExpress. See it ya? The boot depend. See it ya? Same shoes. It depend see it ya? It depend the same shoes. It depend But I place the name again. DH Gate. See the boot ya? Pan DH Gate. See the boot ya? You say you look good, you stay good, and you're a rich girl. And she say she pay for the boot 5,000 US. You say you buy the boot for 5,000 US. You say you purchase a boot. You say you buy the boot for 5,000 US. You say you buy the boot for 5,000 US. You say you buy the boot for 5,000 US. I see the same boot here. See it here. See the boot here. Pan DH Gate. I sell for $36. I'm not wicked and Judas. See the boot up on 36. I'm not wicked about 5,000. See the boot here. Pan DH Gate. Put on Pan DH Gate. The boot's down over DH Gate, my love. The boot's down over DH Gate. And you say you buy a few much $1,000. $36 on DH Gate. $36 on DH Gate. See the boot here. Well put on in a box. Kitty. Well put on in box. The boot well put on in a box. I say a hot girl. And the boot the over DH get stung in a box. The boot over DH get put down in a box. You see how good that's in a real life. Big red boot. The boot over DH get an AliExpress a sell for $3. For $26. I saw them wicked. You saw nobody stop them off a DH Gate. You saw nobody stop them off a DH Gate. You get one receipt. You saw nobody close over DH Gate or Gucci bag or nothing. You get one receipt. And it shows say at 10,000 you pay. That's why you're trying to come out contact the things them. It's not lie. I don't know if you don't have that experience. I won't ever buy over DHK, but me buy over DHK. I can show you slippers and buy for DHK. When I have some Gucci so I buy for DHK right there. So I know lie me I tell. You hear? That bag there DHK I buy them after. See them right so. No lie. You can't walk and trick nobody. You can't trick nobody. You can't trick nobody a blood clot. Remember I said me and you are friends before you come on TikTok. Me know you in a real life. Remember me know your sister in a real blood clot life. Me and you and them so was scanning splash. All of us. So don't come do it and paint picture. Don't be girl. Don't do it and paint picture. Because there's no way you can buy one shoot to 5,000 and we don't call the number. Do man come before.
Hey, I saw that some of them people have to get show up and expose, man. Because a long time, especially them people we are eagle trick people, you know. Yeah, man, I said them buy this for that, the price there, and then come sell it for a bag of money at Jamaica. You see me, I say, enough time them go America, go get some things. But true, it look good. Them come and sell it for how much money to people when they know say yo a cheap them get it for. You understand? Yeah man, guys, if you go in all Ras and them place there, you get some nice things for cheap. You see me? You get some nice things, all some shoes, you see for your nice little price, you say Jano. You know what I mean? You get a lot of things cheap. So and that enough people used to do when them have them visa or something. Them go America, go buy up some of the cheap something them and come back come sell for much money. So you see Destiny catch up and pan the cat woman. Oh, him find out. Oh, you have Google search still where you can image search. So good as that him go up on you good as go up on image search and he carry him go there. So yo, no one of the age and time for fool people, but you pay this a price for certain things. Technology too advanced so people can find out good and quick. You know what I mean? Make me know all the things. We can watch some more.
And call and he say SOS. You man come the phone and he call and he say SOS. Please check the knock. He say, please check your phone. You don't have no credit. SOS. Internet off. SOS. The woman call. SOS. The woman get. You man cup her phone, me sip her live, she cup her phone, he dip her record, and she come phone and the phone say SOS, out of service, then cut off her bill. She not pay her internet bill, then cut it off. Then cut off it, then she not pay her internet bill, she cut it off. You man put 6 pieces of oxtail in the pressure pot, and just say, itch your cook, it a go sour for 2 days. 6 pieces of oxtail and you're wicked in the foreign, you're wicked, go home. You man come 6 pieces of oxtail, and put the 6 pieces of oxtail in the pot, and say, itch your cook. The day for life, ask the people for, allow me to tell. Can only dip on it. Oh, you know what 6 pieces of axle? It dip on record. Everybody did dip on the live for true. And I lie me I tell. 6 pieces and she says it has served for 2 days. It's not like everybody see it. 6 pieces of axle, kitty. And I lie. The whole TikTok see type it in and say find it on TikTok. 6 pieces and she says it last her for 2 days. And she say that she have. She talks here that she have. She said for 2, no, a 2 days she said 2 days it a last her for 6 pieces. And me just go buy some oxtail, see them here? Right now the man will teach me. Just go buy some oxtail. Normally me no buy them oxtail, me buy when them chop it up same time. But through me I see them here when I look pretty, see it here me love. 6 pieces oxtail for you and your family. That girl is named so what is wrong with that? Exactly. Alright. Block. But everything you not read, you know. You're not blood clot. That next done said one. You not read. Me don't know which school you go or which university you go. Block. You're not blood clot read, you know. Me don't know which blood clot university you go. But come like you never go school yet, you not read. Come on, if something wrong with 6 pieces of oxtail, somebody can cook 6 pieces of oxtail for 2 somebody. 6 pieces of oxtail Jamaica you there? Somebody can cook 6 pieces of oxtail for 2 somebody. What hard enough to take out blood clot to $110, $113 buy oxtail? What hard enough that? Somebody can cook 6 pieces of oxtail for 2 somebody, of course something wrong with that. Of course something wrong with that. There is no way you can't buy Gucci bag and a walker buy brand for 5,000 and you cook 6 pieces of oxtail for 2 days. You can't buy Gucci and I cook 6 pieces of oxtail for 2 days. You're crazy. Me dear friend, people make nothing. Look here. I mean alone if I mean I cook that. That's when I cook how me cook. Me cook everything. What do you buy oxtail and cook? 2 parts of oxtail, me cook everything. You ever swear me a cook? Only ever swear me a cook? I don't cook 2 pieces of oxtail, I cannot do it. 6 pieces of oxtail can't go in my pot. You're crazy. It's gonna look away. If you say, your boy, you cut up your Irish, and your onion and the Irish and the onion take over whole oxtail. Jesus Christ. Me can't me now cook 6 pieces of oxtail. If I 6 pieces of chicken, you say if I 6 pieces of chicken now, me would understand. Like 6 pieces of leg and thigh, me don't understand. But 6 look a piece of oxtail, you want to say oxtail and look a bit. Me shame. And you say you're a rich girl. And you know big people and a Gucci you wear. And you say, let me ask you something. Then if you're a rich girl and you wear Gucci, put one of your Gucci in bandage kit and sell it. Because you know me broken a foreign and me have. Look here, me have a amount of bag of stuff. All of them here, no Gucci, all of that pay $20 bag. Pure blood clot $20 bag. See them here? Pure $20 blood clot bag. Me no have a bag that's over $30. Pure $20 bag. Me no buy blood clot good bag. Me no buy rich bag. Pure $20 bag. See there? See all this, see ya? Fake Gucci, me love. Fake blood clot Gucci, see ya? Right or so. This, yeah. See ya? A Gucci anti this. This is a Gucci blood clot anti. When me tell about fraud. This is Gucci blood clot anti, me love. See new brand, Gucci anti this. Me not walk away no real. That is Gucci anti. See ya? Gucci sister. This is a brand. Gucci sister, me love. Yeah, DH game. I make I tell you something. Anytime me hungry, me I sell it. You see say new brand? You see say new brand? Anytime me hungry, me I sell it. Me buy for 30. Me buy for 30. Me buy $30 me pay for. You see anytime me hungry, me I sell it for $60. I mean now cook 6 pieces of oxtail, me love. Me when me I do is me I sell it and go buy my 2 blood clot parts of oxtail. Me now cook 6 pieces of oxtail. Me did tell you say they're real. That mania people. You see that mania? Him obsessed over me. That mania. I see them tell on him picture of him page. Me say me have him picture. Obsessed over me. I show him. Hold on. In other phone. That mania. Obsessed over me. Hold on. Go on my phone. You think I lie? You see them tell on him picture. See him picture here? See me? Him obsessed over me. Me tell him say me I go post him. Me go post him and tell him say I post him. Me go post him. I make you world know say I'm my man. Him obsessed. Me don't know how a man fi obsessed over one man. Him obsessed over me. Me tell him picture you him obsessed over me. Him obsessed over me. But you don't worry yourself, darling. Don't worry yourself, my love. You don't worry your blood clot self. I have something special for you. Where your opinion coming?
Alright, so people, we are going forward to the part where you might talk about shit. You see me? Boy, as we say that with people, them person up on TikTok, we don't put nothing past them at all, you know. Nothing we don't put past them, you know. Because if you are going to see a person in a situation where them need some help and you are going to say you're willing to help that person and I collect money and knowing in your heart say you're not help her, you know what I mean? It just shows these person's character. Although still we don't see out the entire thing and see if she are gonna really go help Brit, but me no feel so, my people. Me just don't feel so, you know what I mean? But on a level still, my people, she have to get the benefit of the doubt still, because you know what I mean, it's like we no see say she no go yet. Until we see say she no go, then we are gonna say whatever. You understand me? Yeah. So we are gonna watch some more, you know, my people, and hear what this thing I say but shit.
Send by the people and money. Send by the people and blood clot money, 2 teeth. Over there, you know, yes, thanks. No big dirty woman sit down. I'm a long time thief. Send by people and money. People want back in cash. Send it back. You're too bright. Send by the people and money, love. The people that want back the money, send by the people and money come, Shay. You're too hot harder. Brittany said, beg for yourself, don't beg for me. She said she never get no money for give Brittany. She never get no money for, look here now. She never get no money for give Brittany, right? We know that. She never get no money for give Brittany. The money that she get is to go and visit Brittany at Jamaica. You right, so she never get no money for Brittany, you know? Jesus Christ. I mean, you do man over there beg. I said she'll go visit Brittany. And the people must send her money. Wickedness can't done. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Me do man over alive a beg. I say she'll go visit Brittany and people must send her money. Jesus. See the money gone. Fuck her. I want to tell you now. Too enough. Hey. You're too blood clot enough, but you can't send money. You're too enough. You're too blood clot. I'm tell you now. Big blood clot. Tell you now. Not good enough. Not good enough. Me tell you now. The blood clot, tell you no me love. Man got with the money. Man keep them. The man got with every dollar. Fucker. The man say they have no money for Brittany. I feel like she better know about the money. Then she better say. Them don't know she from nowhere. And she just come up say I make money for Brittany. And all of a sudden she say, gift like she better say, gift I say, if you take your money. This is a plan. I said, that's not a Brittany. If people them fall for everything. Everything you tell them fall for. Everything that you tell them. Because come here now. Nobody could have come tell me say, me give them money to help somebody. First thing I go ask you, how you going to help the person? First thing I go ask you, how you going to help the person? How are you going to help the person? In what way you're going to help the person? You're going to visit her and make she see her? That can help the person? Come, go to Jamaica and visit her and talk to her. Can help the person? Yeah, the person tell you, say. The person said to you, say. Brittany said to you, say. I don't need any help. Help yourself. You need it more than me. And don't use my name. You don't hear? That girl have sense, but she's sick. She have sense, but she's sick. She think I joke, but she rather serious. She think I joke, but she rather serious. Yeah? No, she said she not get the money for Brittany. She get money for Brittany. Because she tell the people him say she go help Brittany. She tell the people him say she's gonna go to Jamaica and she's going to help Brittany. Right? She tell them that. She tell the people them say she go to Jamaica and she go help Brittany, so the people them send the money. Me are over live. You should follow to my name Annie. Thank you. I just saw the $20. Me here are over live Annie. Let me take my things and laugh, you know. Me here are over live Annie. Thank you. I get the $20. So what you mean should I get the money? So many are wicked, beloved. What? Can't bother beloved. Me can't bother. She can't go to Jamaica. But everybody says that she collect money. Every type in screen record, you see it. But you hear Brittany say? Brittany says she was overreacting. And that she say? Overreact. The man cast out the blood clot sodomite sprit out her. She and her girlfriend drop her ground. Oh, yo! Gotta go beat them. Gotta go beat them, my love. Gotta go beat them. From this while me I got church, me never get to that spirit. Gotta go beat them. The man cast out the sodomite sprit out her and she and her girlfriend drop her ground. And they put, hallelujah. A man, if she come for cuss, gotta go beat out her dirty blood clot. Gotta go beat her. She don't like Brittany, you know. She don't like Brittany. She hate Brittany, come here, she class Brittany already. And so that mad girl you send me request for. Bring down Brittany for record. Kitty not like Brittany. Kitty bring down Brittany. I pretend them a come pretend. Them a pretender. They know them a do pretender them. Yeah, she did ask money for Brittany. Lipa dry me can't find me Carmax. She did ask money for Brittany. She said she not get the money for her. But if you're asking money to make them alright, if me dey on TikTok, I'ma say guys, since recently Swiss make video about Brittany, bad or good.
Hey people, all me have to say, yeah, we have to be careful of them TikTokers here, because no matter what you see them a do, and you say yes, a good them a do, them have an agenda. You understand? Them have an agenda most of the time. So you see when you not give them, when you not give them more than what they can afford to give them. You see what I say? And why would you, don't give them nothing? And that more that suggest, don't give them nothing. You see the person where them a beg for help out, give that person them. You see what I say? Give that person them. Because too much time them come, say them are going to do this and do that, and then nothing. You understand? Because they want the money. But let me know what they think with people. I watch some more.
Bad or good? Bad? Why am I saying there? He said I will be about the pacing. Machiner. So why would he do that? That's not good.
Chat, I mean anything we fight in so as Italy or France. The one keep back me and go back to the store but tell them say give me for the right price. Cause China said
that one, yeah?
Guys, me a beg
When I see my coworker pierce her head back.
Someone like you fast asleep. Reply tell us say rise up.
You might bring him
When I
down.
see my coworker pierce her head back.
Someone like you fast.
They might bring him down and comment.
Reply tell
When I see my coworker pierce her head back.
They might bring him down.
Someone like you fast asleep. Reply tell us say rise up.
When I see my coworker pierce her head back.
Me know Brittany say a lot of things about him. But in the day, the girl, is she sick? Your sister, she's sick. And you post video about that. You should be ashamed. You should be yes, she said she maybe said she said bad things about him, but look into it. The girl is sick. She's sick. Look how Kitty obsessed. Look here, guys.
Dog shit.
You're obsessed with me, dirty girl. Man, let them tell
dog
you
shit.
you know. Man, let me people and tell you page. You're obsessed over me. Come let me go send nobody, guys. You're obsessed.
Dog shit.
You're obsessed.
We can't obsess over you because if you have
No one no friend from your blood clots. Where? Me no want a friend from your germs. Me could never friend somebody like I got friend about you. You're obsessed. Go to feel your father with take away your car. Me don't know what your sister, that girl actually make problem with me now. No see no? Alright. Wanna see no? Make sure no blood clot is she make problem. Wanna see she make problem? Wanna see? See that same request. Look here. Request for request. Look here. Look here. Look there. Obsession. She look views. Me nah go keep for her. She hungry. Money she look. You see when they don't cuss with you, they press them life 2 money gun. You see anytime you see 1,000 people on them life, then they pan 2 money gun. Anytime you see 1,000 people on them life, they pan 2 money gun. Guys, beg a 2 money gun, please. And at the end of the pan. She know she do work, she work. She work better than me, she work. I should not get dollar. Trust me, 2 money gun. All on people stop talking about you. Guys, don't follow that page of Destiny Standalone. Look how stop you before you get away with your father. Me don't want a friend from her. Me will never friend her. Me and Kitty will never talk. Me don't want no friend. You see, every time you Ivy and she change your clothes, she shame to change your clothes. Why change your clothes? When you got a good doctor, go good doctor. Ladies say good doctor. Me Ivany always attack. Go a good doctor. See about 100,000. She look views and followers. She know she do my love. Nobody now watch. Yes, Kitty sit down 99 people watch her. Nobody now watch her nowadays. Nobody now Kitty now entertain. Them now entertain people. Them now do nothing. Them not interested.
Alright, so people, alright, that's how we are going to end the Destiny part, and we are going to move on to the next, you know, over Mother Love we are going to know with people. So let me know what you think in the comment section. We are going to move on.
Text the people on your platform and listen.
Yes.
Listen.
Yes.
Listen.
True.
That's all I want him for the listen.
Listen, get your peace, man, when him do act the way. See,
I don't want my brother there on a platform and act a fool himself. Let me tell you something. Yes, straight from my heart. I'm a little brother who I love dearly. Anything for happen to him, if I the last me for have me, me tell him, a lady grab him, my turn upside and down for my little brother, yeah? Because for me, I come to Jamaica, I never visit my little brother on road. Yeah, him go to prison. Yeah, me attack with tears in my eye, yeah? And I'm a little brother, I love me, give him anything. I mean, I want to see him play a fool himself, yeah? I just want to know him come on this, and I sit calmly, and I listen, and I get teaching. And I get
the morning, sister. Yeah. Put the back, sorry, auntie. So you know this is Mother Love, auntie, and Mother Love, mommy get a stroke again, which is Sunday. Didn't get any ride until Monday. It must be a blessing, right? Take her to Mandeville Hospital. Auntie, you know me, so we trying to get some pampers. The doctor bring them some pampers, but what happened? They don't want no pull-ups. They want tape where they can get an easy access to her. So we want to buy some pampers. We want to buy some bed linen, which is the one that she changed the pampers and so forth. So we getting some gifts so far. So anything you have, you can push out. Thank you very much. You're still at the airport, Jamaica Airport. Jamaica Airport, do you have a right to come home? Do you want me to come and get you? Are you okay? My vehicle, you know, is 6 cylinders, so I'll be at the airport in a minute. Are you okay? Thank you, baby. Thank you, every gifter. So, I have Pampers. What we don't want no pull-ups. We have a lot of pull-ups, but we don't need that. Pull-ups is for the home. She's in Mandeville Hospital. I'm going to meet Mother Love for the first time. They asking me for him to call me as a temper. Him and the little sister can't live good, but I'm going to be there in the middle, and they can't go on foolishness. Until you know me, you met me one time, and the one time, no, we don't want no pull-up. It's not pull-up. Okay, good. Now, sister, we have Thunder on the live. She's a police. She's a police. I think it's Jamaica airport she's now because she's coming from England. So she's going to have for her some Pampers for Mother Love.
Okay, thank you, hon. Thank you very much. The Pampers, if that are the things and that she change on, I need the little blue things and that I bring down, yeah? Where you change them finish?
The linen.
Yeah, the linen, the something like when we call it.
When you put something them where you spread on the bed?
Yeah.
No, I not think I'm sick even did have some man spread on the bed what there.
Okay, then we carry them some of the lady grabber, them dead.
So, Mother Love, listen. I didn't have to do what I do by coming to meet you tomorrow. I want the best behavior, the best respect from you and your sister. Yes, I'm gonna call you. Hold on. Let me finish.
Let you finish talking, Dada.
Let me finish and come back. Else I'm going to come on my platform and let them know that you're only showing Mother Love, but you don't have any respect or road. And anything I say out of my mouth, they're gonna believe. And it's bad for your platform.
Now watch out. Them are going to say, are you the liar than me? You approve the wrong. You approve the wrong.
No, Mother Love.
These people
know I'm natural. These people know everything with truth. They know I don't lie. They know I'm not lying.
You're going to say, oh, yeah, judge me by yourself. You're going to say, when you go on your platform.
Just when me tell her that, I tell her, so when you come there tomorrow, you must make sure she not make you and keep and Uncle cannot agree. No argument and nothing. I said that to her, that's why.
Oh, we are going to have something and the lady, we are going to our mother, we are going to walk out.
Dada. Nice.
You know
Kiva,
you see, you know Kiva and Kiva, you know Kiva, me know you.
But no matter where me and her in the situation where your mother in and now, no argument, nothing.
Amen.
Okay, thank you.
Mother Love,
Going.
yes.
We are telling Mr. Sis, after me and
Henrik said fix it right now. I'm in love that talk. The Henrik said fix it. Meaning anything you have to meet me tomorrow, you cannot carry that with you, please. Because a Mother Love is saying, so I love me, I walk with you.
Mother Love, Mother Love.
Every go we are
Lady grabber, I'm going to tell the truth like you know. Yeah, I mean, that's so me steer.
Yes.
Even with him wife, I not pretend with her. I tell her the truth from who day one. I not come from pretend with nobody.
Alright, so Mother Love, Thunder is a follower. Right.
No, I'm not cut you, grabber. And today I'm going to see her tomorrow.
Which day you say? Which day?
Oh, yeah, I said tomorrow, so me I wonder how tomorrow tonight.
Papa, listen. The lady got a call Thunder, right? The lady got a call Thunder. She's one of my followers. She's coming from England. She likes this, so she said she's gonna speak some stuff to me. So I guess I'm gonna see her today. I would have loved to see her before we reach the hospital because it would be nice for you to get the Pampers. But that's okay because I want to see your baby first. So if anything the next time, which is this week, we're gonna.
Alright, some people that not necessary what lady grabber said to the man. Them something that what she has said, it not necessary. You know what I mean? Because I don't see why any issue would have did it with him when it two of them come together to do already. You know what I mean? To do something for a person that is, you know what I mean, not well. You see, so I don't feel like no problem now. I go did it. And as me telling you, I see a video on him page with him and she in a Mandeville town. So I guess, you know what I mean, them go deal with whatever them go deal with. You see, so I'm going to make you hear the brother, but we are going to watch some more of this.
For you.
It's grabber, me don't cut you. You see, when me and you meet up, the same way we meet up the first time, when me remember me have to call you on the phone and say, grabber, what color clothes are you in? You have to say, listen, just listen. You have to say, mother love, what color clothes are you in? Because remember, you're not going to know which part of Mandeville me there.
Alright.
You have to tell you when me there. You have to tell me where you there.
No problem.
So when we meet up now, you see the first we meet up and greet to one another at the same way more you come on the platform, come tell the people them how we greet.
No, that's the problem. No, you cannot tell me what to tell them. You have to show me what to tell them.
Yeah. Then I show me, I show you. And I tell you what I'm going to go on now.
Alright, let me tell you what I'm going to do. You want to do it in Top Kentucky?
Location. Anyway, right side of the station.
Let's on the location. I want to talk on the phone, lady grabber, yeah?
Let me tell you, me go anywhere Maniville. Me go in the station, out of the station, round the station.
But I tell the location for the live. When you call her differently, you not talk to her differently. We not go meet up.
Alright, no, listen. I'm living in peace and unity.
Me go in any station.
Why you call me? And you ask to send me in Maniville? I'm in Kentucky. I'm in Kentucky. The whole world know me. The whole Mandeville know me. Even if they don't know Kentucky, they are very silly grabber. They say they have to be this.
This lady is a respectable lady.
Sorry, the Ella water. Grabber, you know, sir. Friday, I'm go out there with my mother in Mandeville. God, Friday. I stay there in the morning, about 6 o'clock. I come down and go back here at 8 o'clock. They know, sir. But then I'm Mandeville night, Friday night, so. And one man go crash like him now no license and them things, so him go crash and crash in a man vehicle. So the police they come there and want to charge him. Since the man see me sit down beside the mother, man say, hold on, and the mother love this.
Set the life goal, set the life goal, set the life goal.
So the man don't charge the man now with her. Because the man start to reason with me and say, mother love, you're different to know. That I policeman them are reason with me now. I say, mother love, you're different to the whole of the family power chain of you own.
Yes.
It's a different thing on the planet, you know. Yo, I feel joyful when the policeman says, hold off me and him not bother charge you, then I say, yo, not bother charge you, you know. But anyhow, you not pay for the man car to fix you, I got charge you.
True. Set your life goal, set your life goal. Set your life goal.
Where you call life goal?
Lady grabber, yeah? So, don't the life goal thing, how him do that? Because him not understand it, I think, huh?
It says it on the top. It says it on the top. Hard life goal.
Touch the blue something up on top.
Hold on. Me I go write somebody first, make them come to you. Me I write somebody.
You know one learn neither, you know what you.
Man said, mother love.
Oh, sir, I'm good. You still remember it?
Yeah, man, I go to you. Man,
that's why it's true. Yeah, he just to calm down. He's a loving and caring person. He just need to calm down.
It's dark. It's dark, man.
And this is that you know.
Good, you.
Dark, man, in dark, you know.
Just that. And you see what I do? And just keep it on. He must calm down. He must calm down.
Yeah.
Calm, man.
No,
you don't have the time for him all the while.
Hold it back.
Pick up everybody from the live. You hear? Bless up for yourself. Good morning.
You want to come there?
Alright.
Man. But when he just take him sometimes, just get mad. But I'm going
Time beauty, yes.
Brother, she said one blue something at the top.
No, somebody
Make you teach you, Dada.
Dada, listen to me in the meantime. Look up at the top of your phone and so upload that. Listen to me, Dada. Look at the N-O-T right up there. N-O-T-A-C-H-I-E-V-E-D. Don't you see that on your phone screen?
N-O-T.
Yes, first. Look up at the top of your phone. You see one little blue something up there? N-O-T map.
No, me not see none of that.
In the up there, it's there, huh?
It's there, babe, because it's not active. That means you don't have a life goal. The people them shoot on your life goal. It was a whale, a galaxy, and a money gun, and they shoot down 4 money guns, the galaxy and the whale. So that means you don't have nothing up there. So you need to set it so somebody support you. No, mama love it. You look at your life now, you got 200 and Come here.
Go look here.
Come here, mother love. Come here.
Hold on, them grabber.
No, I'm not fit with you forward. Listen to what I'm saying. There's people coming into your life right now. It seems like look how much people in your life. 248.
Yeah, we be at 240 people in your life, you know.
Come on.
258 now. It take time I grow. 250.
Then over there listen and they decide to come over.
Look at the top, you see. Look at the top, you see one blue thing. Lady grabber say, not active or something like so.
You need to set a life goal, sweetheart. The people are shooting it already, so you need to set it back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Because we look in the pampers of mommy.
It's still not complete. 4 more galaxy and 2 more real.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Good morning. You know?
Yeah, it's not active, come and see it up left to for sure. They want 4 or 5
One
more
tippy on the app. Good morning, tippy.
You see me, I learned too.
Tippy the morning. What you see with tippy? Tippy more shine up. Yeah, one tippy more shine. Tippy more shine. Just break with matter in my eye. Yo, the ear growing the don't shine.
The tippy don't shine up. Can't let my one try.
Mama love, tell me look at it, for reset it. Reset it. The chat set up the reset.
No, it's not active, yeah.
The chat say must reset it because I know what I'm saying.
When you're starting over the live, do it before you start the live.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is a blessing to wake up this morning. So I never go a bed. I want to there little Mama Love and FY, big up yourself for coming over to give him support. Want to read thing to me alone? Me can't read it. Me can't read.
He can do it now. Somebody say he can do it now. He can
Can't reset it. Got to give it time.
Okay.
Yeah, he might do it.
Yeah. Good morning to your people and Mama Love. You know Mama Love still there. One Mama Love. Also, we're going to meet up in Mammoth.
Morning to the whole world. Morning to the whole world.
One try, big up yourself.
A gunshot them are driving on people. And that do. That involved in a gunman business and true. Me not uphold with them thing there. And him sister when him shika uphold with him. Cause when dada kick him mother, box on him mother, it come like, me can't come on the live and tell them thing, the kind of body not gonna believe me. When me a fight against me little brother for, where me a take care of 9 years. A 4 months me in a difficult, and dada crucify me, Miss Grabber, 9 years.
Hey, my people, you know what I like this man I tell her? Him not tell a lie, you know. Guess what? The same brother, Mother Love, him see one come back, come say, that brother you used to take care of, you know, take care of him, you know, him name Kevin, you know. You see me, I say, the same him come say, this a youth I used to take care of him and send him how much barrel and sitting. I don't like him I tell her. So when you see some of the time the people they wanna sort out and help out when things are going for you. You see when you're in a difficulty, them same one go turn them back on you and bring you down. So you have to be careful with human being. You have to know human being and know say yo. I know people them can tame. You see me I say? And people them will turn upon you anytime. See them will big you up and have you as the best thing in the world and put you up there. But that them same one will drag you down. You understand me I say? So this are the brother explain you know. You know what I mean? Say him take care of his mother. And you see how the man did come out on the internet and say them not take care of their mother, what them know about Mother Love, Kevin and Sophia. Also? Yeah, I think I saw the next one name. The female name. But my people, that's what me know what I think because Jano, as me say, the same people them will put you up and them same one drag you down.
Me a take care of dada. Every year me make my brother get 2 barrel. Different from him money. Me a take care of him and the same youth who have video name Tippy. Me no know Tippy from nowhere. And Tippy have to go left. Alright. 9 years. Me a take care of the people them for. The only time my mother no get something out of my analyst, me no have it. And me try my best. Me take care of my mother what me can do, me do what me cannot do, me leave it alone. And look where that you check say him a do that for Beverly. Him a do that for collect money. Him a do that for make himself comfortable. It's not him mother. Because Beverly no short or nothing, because if she not eat today, she go eat tomorrow. If she not get a pack of pampers today, she go get it tomorrow. Because him sister, Wimpy and Sheika, now go know say them mother they don't want one pack of pampers and make it by. Me now go there so and ask somebody nothing. You hear what the lady said to me on the phone? Mommy said to me, say, Kevin, I want to leave. And I said, Mommy, I soon come. A 4 months I had no my mother tell me that, you know. But people do not know. Remember, months and weeks and years, me have to call people for bring boy go a doctor go take in joke. As in getting joke and get money. A town in Garnish party in gunman friend them there. Him a kill off my mother. Oh, people expect for a mother sick on her, dep on her sick bed and know what type son she have. And every day, him a argue with man and a dep on life with gun this and gun that and gun this and gun that and badness that. That's how the people them love to. I want to look at dirty, nasty junker. Me I tell you, every family on earth have somebody bad in there. And me I tell you, this is the Skin family. And him is one of them. It's a disgrace to my heart, mind and soul.
Kevin.
Whoa.
We are Christian and me come from, you know.
Whoa.
Me not do nothing wrong, Kevin.
Sister Grabber. Listen. No, hold on. What? Where you say? I want who talk to you. Cause you said them, you know. Cause them mean more one person. You understand? Yeah.
Alright. So, yes, that's true. Sorry. I just mother love and one lady in the box and then the wife.
Okay. Okay. Listen, Sister Gaba. Hold on, Sister Gaba. Watch out. If sensible people observe that you the like mother love, reasonability and body language show a lot with human being. And you see, if you really are studying, listen, Sister Gaba, listen, man. You see, if you really are studying that you there, if you really look on the type person who they on that platform, you should know, sir, 7 devil in hell that you can't know, sir, one bad mind, corrupt, dirty, nasty, stinking, dirty junker. So if you have the hey, listen, man, Sister Gaba, that me I tell you, say if you are penetrating platform, so much people come on the guy platform and do not say nothing bad to him, and him just start disrespect the people them. Sister Gaba, may I beg you, and may I beg you this. Thank you. Listen. Me, Kevin, you hear what I said to Kiva today? I said to Kiva, there is no outside people supposed to go inside there and look for Miss Bev in the situation where she in her. So you see, all when you did go, you see like how me I talk to you, stay at your yard, do what you have to do. Go up on the road if you have to go up on the road and do your business. And if from your heart you feel like you see that platform and you want to send something to Beverly wishing, Beverly no need nothing, make me talk that straight to any human being we come on the platform and make it look like Beverly walk a shot or nothing. Me, you hear me say if she not eat today, she have to eat tomorrow. And my mother that.
Alright,
You see the pampas them we have in the place? And sister bring them come. And if your sister bring pampas come, and them cannot fit your mother, what you supposed to do with them? Either you give them to other mothers who need it, or you sell it and buy some pampas. Every time you go on video, you show pampas. No use. If you
Hey, wanna see how social media a place where people come bring down evil people where them don't know, because you will see a situation a go on, you know. And as we say, now the people them on social media will come and say them a do things for people, and themselves them want do it for them, just use people to do it for themselves. See? Alright. So you there on social media, you see a man, same like mother love you now, see? And him a dissing people them. You don't know the depths of things where him and him people them in, you know. But you say you go help out a situation. You know, try to find out like details are the people them where him a diss and how them feel about him, and if we must say a true and them something there. But you work with what I say, and you start this the people them too. Cause they look like say lady grabber gonna make it look like say there's nobody to help this woman. She and mother love alone, and them want this and them want that. When behind the scene, see the brother, yeah, mother love brother, where him spend on him mother straight. So him feel a way, you know, if he say, boy, him know say him must spend on him mother, and him now look no handout, and him mother no need nothing. And people up on the internet have said this and said that. So him have to come and adjust, and you can see say this youth here, you know what I mean, him feel it. You understand? Because him say him mother no wanting and nothing. Because him take care of him mother. You understand? So my people, I don't make me know what to think, but on social media, you have to just take everything with a grain of salt. You know what I mean? No believe everything, no be gullible and believe everything you want to see and hear. You hear them have a saying what them say, believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. Make we move on.
mother she for her foot, you put it up on internet. That is insult and disrespect. To me.
Kevin,
If you talk about your mother and people already know say your mother sick and your mother have one foot, and everything your mother do, you have to come confident and show people like you make it look like say your two sister in England now do nothing for your mother. Worse than me where you tell people. You understand me? Sister Gaba, hold on. Look how in a Beverly room stay. Send some people out the road. But I go look and know say this a woman them must make she alright. No matter what it is. Beverly not live worse than nobody else. She not live better than nobody. But she still a live. And me make sure that happen. And her sister and her daughter they make sure that happen. So our money man look for buy gun and supporting gunman friend them. Making sure what sense I been buy for your mother. Me send 2 machine go give my mother for pressure. Take her pressure. I him sell them. Don't think mother jars in sell.
Kevin, regardless of what, right? The Pampers, I still have some Pampers for tomorrow. And I would love her to get them same way, and the lady wants to buy some body wash and laundry stuff and so forth. So I don't know.
Sister Grabber, you hear what I said to you a while ago? I thank you so much. And from your heart, if you're going to get something or if you feel like you want to give something to Beverly, I will accept that with love from the heart. Listen, please. Listen, Sister Grabber. We are all human beings. People give people people take from people. And that is no shame. You understand me? But what I want the whole world to know, this guy do this thing just to achieve to buy gun, support him gunman friend them, and disrespecting people then. You know, I give my heart. If you know, say, you can go look for my mother. Yes. And when me done, tell my sister, says, Kiva. Yes. Nobody not supposed to go in there more. You and that little dirty dog shit there.
Yes, your mother look great and she's pretty.
I was on that this morning. That lady was so good.
So full.
Dada, in the house, you see behind the scene is a different thing. The youth talk to my mother, crab it. The youth anger my mother, anyhow.
Say hi to her. Looking lovely. Can't tell her that she looking lovely. She got a pretty eyes and she's beautiful.
I want helpful lady. I want helpful lady. And the lady they never try to put on her kids and never try to put on another woman kids. Wishing me understand earth. And me I go upset this in everything. Me know son everybody I go like Beverly, but people like her. Cause Beverly no worse than nobody.
And both of them show me love.
That little boy make my mother lock up their jail, you know. That little boy just threw gun, you know.
That lady brought tears to my eyes like a mother.
You hear me, I tell you, I'm talk to him night and day. Me beg him, me preach.
That lady was so good to him this morning. She preached, she prayed this morning, she was good.
Look on the stage of my mother in her. And every movie video. That makes sense? That look good? Oh, me if you feel good about that.
Yeah, let me say something to her. Say hi to her. Hello?
Lady Grabber, just say what you say.
Hello, good morning.
Night.
Good night, Lady Grabber. Hello? Hi, how you doing? I was on there since this morning when you was talking. I called my husband. I said, Kevin, it's a nice lady on there talking to your brother, and she's praying, and she got the things going, everything was going. And he got a motorcycle. I say, Kevin, she's nice. She's making Dada get everything, and she was telling everybody on the platform, send Pampers, don't send nothing to me, send everything to Mother's Love, please. And I heard everything, and you were so nice, and you brought tears to my eyes. I lost my mother last year and my sister. Dada don't like to listen. He cussed me out earlier, and I just left it alone, I told Kevin, I said, Kevin, I'm finna look for her, and you talk to her. Don't scream at her. She is nice. You did an excellent job this morning. You prayed, and you say, hold on, hold silence. And Dada was listening to you when you told him to be quiet. You say, hush. He was a man this morning. He was talking nothing nasty, bad. He listened to everything you said. Then you picked him up, took him to the store. He should appreciate that. He was wrong talking.
Alright people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We are going to go over to ROSEALEE, because ROSEALEE make everybody with them and share good. Not really everybody, Zuma, you know what I mean? Say, boy, if you want fair friendship, you have to go choose between she and she. And that's it there, normal people, you know what I mean? And she and the cat woman and other people up on the live. You see me, so we are going to hear where ROSEALEE are going with the people. We could go over there now.
To you like that. I don't like that. He shouldn't have did that. I watched the whole thing. I heard what you said. You was nice this morning. I called my husband. I said, why is a nice lady, or do you know her? I said, you need to get her to see about your mother. She is nice. She wonderful because she stuck with her word. Dada thought you wasn't coming, and you showed up. She stuck with her word. She showed up.
Alright, me there.
Shana,
Shana,
come here, Shana.
Kitty, where you go? You're afraid of ROSEALEE, you're low life. You're low. You're afraid of ROSEALEE. Hey, we
can't hate him, you know.
But they are Zuma.
Diggy, somebody have a pay. Somebody would have a pay if he hates you. God no. I'm not don't want child. Yeah, somebody have to pay me one money.
Them can't pay to Rosalie.
I when you
Rose, the care what them do, Rose, we don't know why. I love you a long time.
do my back
So
up.
far, I say I'm calling my mother.
You know why you love me a class, no what if you're thinking from them. Move. Class, me a class, mother.
Me, Rosalie.
Zuma, love you here, no matter what me love.
Yeah, promise of a
Yes, Charlotte, me said, as the man put you on number one, you give me a crutches. Yes. So me here. I'm going to say Shana, Jim. I'm going to say me know, me like Shana, you know. Me not going to tell a lie. Tonight, back the breast up there. Me also tonight, all if she wore like a dog is a tradition, me like her. So the people tell me that, me tell them, I say, no man. But anyway.
Why?
I love you. You know me love you, girl. Come on, be private dancer for money, do what you want to do. Hello, help me.
I don't know why them not put nothing past me, so anything them say them for work with it. If I that them say me, they run with it, my love.
Yeah, it's a work with it. Oi! Come here! That's how I got sterilized, you know. Oi! Warmer! Oi, warmer! Tired!
But away, my name can't stop call. Mighty God.
Yeah, celebrity. Yeah, celebrity. My you name Shana.
No.
So we are living like a little call my name Baba.
You see me a baby as already. Baba?
I just married me.
Wow. I'm a nephew.
No?
One night, took a baby. See me?
Yeah.
Red, me red?
Rose, so when me kitty afraid of you?
Come say me a kitty them, me a kitty the top, but she got for the thinking chair. Me no want to friend from nobody with friend the chair. So Zuma want my friendship, Zuma forgot truth between me and Shay. Yeah, what you choose? You know you're not choose share them. I share them a low life.
Ziggy.
I can't tell them.
You just see what you get the wife.
Oh.
The one I come for number one. No problem. No problem. No problem.
No what? The money for a man in not too bad. So I
could beg no friend to me there around.
Well,
can't beg friend.
I can't beg with the two. Buy burger.
Are the milk
Shana. Yeah, you come for yeah, fuck out.
Like your mouth. Bring your mouth, Ziggy.
Man, you said I get to give you know that
Don't do that, Ziggy. Don't do that. Don't do that, Ziggy. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, Ziggy. She know they say don't do that.
Because I'm love her and she not fuck me.
What's up? I'm not dealing with a little pussy hole. And you always wonder why I bench him.
Don't do
you can't bench me. You can't bench me. You can't bench me.
Girl,
you can't bench
every
me.
night you want to argue with me, girl. Me not in night.
You can't bench me. How long have you come fuck me?
Girl.
Yo, circle my friend.
You love
when
me.
When you come give me some pussy, circle me.
My girl, leave me alone and don't come back over my life neither. Pussy hole.
Look at black and China sense here. Where you trouble the girl for?
She will come fuck me too. She know what kind of fuck. I'm a celebrity now.
Dig you one beard.
Come here.
What? Rose. At first somebody I'm be myself with from morning. At first somebody way.
We did shoot him down. Them say so disrespectful. Ever cool it down, come remember your man.
Shana, one girl fled up and fired one suitcase. I did look Shana threw her out. Shana said I want to my girl.
Yeah. The girl up your mouth and got your
bed. 2 and 3 times, I beg you something.
Guys, beg me something on the 3 times. Rosalie, when I change Rosalie from whom it is. Yes, the people that want to make me laugh, and them never always. I tell her, turn down that. I tell her I'm asleep. You see the people that want to make me happy, and them never always sleep. I know, man. It's like when I big one them. It's like when I big one and I cuss them. I like that. That's what I always do. No, I know. Look up man jump. You know mean none person, I mean nothing. No, Rosalie, you know so what I feel like. If I just start problem. No, tell the truth, my people them like it sometime. You understand? Yeah, because it's funny to me, to them. When you have I feel like I'm laughing, and I'm run out of breath. Yo, a big one around come look for me and I come give him one roast, rub him out, him like him, rub him out. You know, so the anat. Yeah, I rub him out. You know, so the anat when but you know, so the anat today. Some say, come here, your match come to the 20 anat. It's a true be a people that shoot me, that's the big one, I'm glad. Last night crowd. Rose 1.2 over here, that's the big one, that's the Rose, I'm glad. You can look a crowd to the door. I see the crowd. I watch crowd. I say what's follow you. Road. Mommy happy on the road. NJ want NJ can't make something with your father. Why they put me in a suspense? Mash me up. Very British. So when I see me do that now, I don't feel style. I just see the joke guys. But no Rose, isn't a Rose? Jam cuss and go after you like come cuss. You know if you cuss me. I forget it to Rose. I look at you. I know where you. Sorry. Share. Poor Rose. Whatever you show your face tonight up in a camera. This is really a number one. One win it again. One win it. Give me that money that come. Put some money on the money. You press some money on the money. What's the rich out? You say you want chunk cry, you know your name D man. You know the money. One more Rose. What about the see you? Two more Rose chat. Two more Rose. I'm a circular win. You see Rose. Guys, we can't put over that. We have our circular win up friend, you see. This one far the game. Rose, we are on the app, you see.
Alright, so my people, we're gonna watch some more and then we're gonna end it. But who do feel like say I run off TikTok right now? Because me not see nobody up there like say them are running off and thing, you know. Only person when me see are the Lion Man. You see me? And him been at it for a while now, and for him still there on top certain way, that shows say boy him a do something good. You know, it not to be good in it like it good, you know, but him a do something to keep them, you know, him to keep the people. So you would be good because the people then accept whatever him a do, because them no left. You see it? So just let me know what you think. We'll watch some more with people and then we're going to end it.
Watch out, I was feeling with no more than time feel like. Come on, chat, I want to put NJ! Guys, I put my next baby father now, we'll give him a 6. Boy! Who the hell put my baby father? What's a belly that show? Screenshot it. We not done more chat. Friend, I want to say from your love from night. I come on the dog up on the road, I'm asleep, you know. Waiting 49 has come. Most of the number one in there. No! I shoot 49 has come, make your friend D man when I game, you know. I should have got sick, you know. I don't know where the dog there. Waiting 49 has come, friend. My number one. Minute call 49ers. In time 49ers come on my number one. That's what I tune up there. Yeah. But friend, I just have like some regular shooter. I'm a big shooter them there, you understand? How much game I win? The last one. We should have also wait, look. If you have 10 more minutes. That mean I deal with him rough. Yeah, but you have to come on time, so. And then I come on, I follow the time, you understand? And them afraid of me, I be a ghost in my shooting now. Them afraid of me, they don't want me to see them say I shoot against me. You see it? Thanks, Chad. But we don't know them, so you I'm going to chat with business. Don't want to take me down? Why don't I want to take me down? Everything good. If I do everything good, if I'm in jail, everything good. If I do everything good. More with the number one. If I do everything good, I king. Right. Oh, I top shot. That's not going to reach out. That'll pull more away from the live one. Yo, Rosalie, you can't call Jayden for me. Who am I call Jayden from? Him say, he might come take me, tell him say me come lift up number one today and now me can't see him. People don't call Jayden for me there. Him say me come take me and now me can't see him. I do it now me say. I doing everything good, no problem. Wait till me go for forward. Wait till me spot in that side got the screen, no, I can't take number one. Try to do that. Yeah. Why don't you show? You know me like it, chat. Why must you like me? You know me like it?